How you doing? Really simple carrot and cabbage on the menu today. Healthy, vegan, vegetarian, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Very simple, this one. So white cabbage cut kind of quite chunky, irregular kind of cuts. There's about 4 cups there. Carrots, I've just cut them into little rounds. There's about 3 cups there. 2 cups of green bell pepper, 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 2 of turmeric. So in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using an olive oil. The heat's just been put on above medium. We're going to start off by dropping in our carrots, and we're going to just fry them around just as they are, just for 3 to 4 minutes. So we've given those carrots a nice head start. We're next going to go in with the onion and the garlic. And we're going to go for about another 3 minutes. Keep it moving now. Fabulous. Next up, cabbage time. So in that goes. I've cut that kind of fairly chunky. We're going to add some salt and black pepper and the turmeric and the cumin. Stay on this fairly lively heat just for 2 minutes. Keep it moving. Just a couple of minutes there. Next up, I'm going to add those bell peppers in just for a little bit of colour. Fantastic. Just going to add a little bit of water to that. Not too much, just a little. Just a little bit. Now you can cook this for however long you want. I mean, you can really cook the cabbage and that down if you want, or have it with a little bit of a crunch. I'm going to go for about 3 more minutes and then it's done. So just a few minutes. You can see that the water has evaporated in there. Off goes the heat. Job done. Beautiful. And there you go. Really, really simple and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love.